Farewell to Dieter Bohn. He was the guy, really, the face of the Verge. I would say the face of the Verge. Certainly on the YouTube side, on the video side, he was popping up there all the time.
Yeah, with Neeli.
And he was also on the podcast, and he was also
with Topolsky.
He was always, reviewing the high profile flagship devices, mobile devices. He's been doing it for a long time, 20 years. He has been in media, maybe not necessarily at The Verge. Before I go and say a woefully incomplete set of thank yous, I want to reflect on those 20 years for just a minute. We founded The Verge, so he was part of the early Verge with some grand ideas about how to do technology journalism differently. We started with a thesis that technology, especially consumer technology, creates culture. It seemed like a very big idea at the time, but it has turned out to be bigger than even we could have imagined. Yeah, well, 20 years, man. That's crazy. Well, I mean, I've been doing this thing for
over 10.
20 doesn't seem that long when you frame it like that on your own your own reflection, but definitely 20 is longer. You win, Dieter. I honestly, you showed me this article and I couldn't remember. I'm sure I've encountered Dieter at different technology events, but I can't remember if we actually ever formally met each other.
Mm-hmm.
But he's moving on now. He's moving out of the media game, away from The Verge, leaving The Verge and leaving media entirely and going to work for Google. And I believe he explains exactly what he'll be doing at Google. I'm headed to Google to work on the platforms and ecosystems team. I am excited to help shape the future of software platforms like Android and Chrome and continue to work at the nexus of technology and culture in a different way. So I don't know if this means he's completely outside the realm of content creation. Like maybe he can do some of that for Google as well.
Sure, yeah.
But also, they may just want to hire him to, consult.
Consult, yeah.
And be a part of, well, as he says, the creation of these wonderful softwares, considering his background in evaluating those experiences over the past 20 years through a media lens, consumer lens. Because when you're doing the media, you're also paying attention to what the general customer, what their feedback is, what they like and don't like, and you get really in tune with it. So I believe that those insights could be useful over there at Google. So good luck. Farewell, but good luck.
Congrats.
Yeah, I guess you got a better job too.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know about
Google.
I don't know about better, but whatever. He definitely got whatever job he was looking for.
Yeah.